Hello, welcome to KTC 100. You are very lucky to be watching this video because I'm going to tell you about a new cryptocurrency mining app, and which is also an exchange platform. Do you get it? It's an exchange platform and it comes with an airdrop, its own token, its native token, which means that the exchange platform like the Binance, like the Bybit and so forth has its own native token. Same came with Binance, which is it came with its token called BNB token. Now go and check the price of one BNB. It's either about 300 and something US dollars or less or above. Okay, so exactly, Celia Cryptocurrency Exchange is a good platform. It's Africa's first ever cryptocurrency exchange platform, and it's giving away airdrops. Join now and start earning for free before it's too late. You can go to my YouTube channel at KTC100 and search on how to install or how to register to Celia Cryptocurrency Mining app, and how to earn Celia Cryptocurrency Mining app for free, how to earn Celia airdrops for free, which is CLT, which is a token, the native token for Celia Cryptocurrency Exchange. So go to my YouTube, my TikTok account, search at KTC100 and you find most educative videos about free cryptocurrency mining app and what is revolving around cryptocurrency space. Okay, and search me on Twitter, Celia Token on Twitter, and let me know in the comment section if you have any difficulties or plan or whatever sort. Okay, and if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency, let me know, so I'll be glad to help you guys, because I'm always learning out here to bring you the most legit and valuable information about cryptocurrencies. Let me know in the comment section, and be blessed. Stay out of trouble. Subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe and share to friends. Okay, subscribe. Okay, so I'll be bringing you more content like this. Okay, bye.